Hello guys, welcome back to the 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗍𝗻. In today's session, I'm going to be taking us through how we are going to secure our website from our different people accessing our login page. Okay, so this is our channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Alright, let us head straight. Right, so this is our website on which we are going to be changing the login page. As we all know, for you to access the login page, all you need to do is 𝑝_admin, right? So for us to prevent people from accessing this page, all we are going to be doing is to do 1 or 2 changes in the back end. We are not going to make use of any plugins, okay? Because as we all know, too much plugins slows down our website, so we are not going to make use of plugins. So we would want to log into our cPanel. You are going to find this page where it contains the contents, the codes for your website. Okay, so we are going to look for WP login, this one. So first thing first, let us download this. Okay, we download it in case of any challenges which you face along the line. Okay, so what we would want to do, we would want to change this WP login to the name which we want to use. For example, let's say you can double click on it, right click and the name. Okay, so let's change this to my page. Okay, or you can change it to text. Alright, so this is the wrong spelling of protect. Okay, then like this. So we'll open this file protect. Okay, right click on it, you edit it. Okay, now in our edit, this is the file. All you just need to do is press on Ctrl H. Okay, so you are going to see this dialog box. So we are going to search for initially it was login, right? So we are going to replace it with the name, with this name. Okay, then I've already copied it. You just press like that. That is protect. Okay, so this is the name which we are going to be changing it to. Alright, so whenever we are searching, we just instead put protect. Okay, not WP anymore. So let me write this, then what you want to change it to, then you hit on all and hit on save. Alright, so I think it was WP login, right? WP login initially, or WP admin initially. So as you can see, it's brought an error page. Okay, we got an error page, but let us change it to what we are just reading, what we are just changing to. Okay, so that is protect. Okay, product. As you can see, it has. Let us open this and open it in incognito mode. Okay, and we try and see. As you can see, it brought us to the login page, but let's change this to what it was initially. WP admin. See, error page. Okay, do WP login. Still the error page. So with this we can protect ourselves from people accessing our website. Okay, alright guys, thank you very much for your time. I hope this helped. If this helped, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel guys. Thank you very much.